Oke guys, kembali lagi di channel Cartens Audio Jakarta. Hari ini saya kedatangan tamu istimewa dari Rusia. Nah, kita akan memperkenalkan diri. Apa sih yang akan diperkenalkan di sini? Oke, thank you for coming to Cartens Autosound. Welcome. This is your first time, right?
This is my first time at Cartens shop.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Anton Montana. I work for Tchernov Audio quite a long while, and I am the head of the international sales for this Russian company.
Okay, nice.
It's very nice to be here in Jakarta, and I like the environment. I like the vibe. It's quite nice. The food is excellent.
Okay, maybe my audience want to know what is exactly is the Tchernov cables.
I will introduce you quite quick. We started the cable project around 2001 and was going international around 2011. The main key about the Tchernov products is a different origin. We are used as the only one company in the world, the Ural copper from Ural mines in Russia. We don't use any other copper for our conductor, either from China or from Japan or from any other country. So this special material gives the unique sound for the cables. On the other side, we are a very technical company. We have multiple registered patents for the cable assembling and cable production, which you can find on our website and technologies. If you're interested, I don't want to bother you with the technical details. And of course, the value for money is very important. If you want to buy the similar product on the same performance level, you should spend a lot of more money. So yes, this 3D concept is our main selling point.
Okay, so you mean the Tchernov cables also have the power cable, speaker cable, and
oh yes,
yes.
RCA. We are well represented in the home audio and customs installations and in car audio, and we have a marine audio product. We have a products for installation outside for the hot temperature, low temperature. We have power cables with American plugs, Australian plugs, European plugs, all type of plugs. And all of them are produced in Russia, as I already mentioned, and assembled by hand in our factory. Maybe we should also speak about the cable production itself, because all our cables are produced in the facilities which is involved in the modern Russian aerospace program.
Okay, usually my customer is asking how important is the cable? I mean, they can buy the expensive speakers, we can buy the expensive amp. Sometimes they doesn't want to spend more on the cable. Is it right or not?
Well, it's for every in soup, you cooking the soup, you need the right ingredients.
Yes.
If you will buy the good meat but you will save on the olive oil, then maybe something will not work out. So I think the best installation for the car audio or for home audio is when all components match together.
Yes, agree. Okay. So, can you tell me about the lineup of the Tchernov from the cable?
Today we have different lineups in Tchernov cable. It would be a very long conversation, but I will introduce very quick. We're starting from the standard line, which have a DC power cable for the car audio and have interconnects for the car audio, and have speaker cables. In my car, for example, I use the standard interconnects and speaker cables, which are very perfect for the, let's say, middle class installation system. Then we have the special lines designed for the people who spend more money for the music system and for the amplifiers and for the speakers. And usually our top line is a classic, which is was invented to the market more than 18 years ago. And yes, it's one of the most successful selling products from Tchernov. It's the purple cable. Maybe it's not here, but most people, yeah, over there. We have also our top line product, which is higher than classic. It's a reference cable right here. But this cable is usually installed with a very high-end system, so it's not everyday selling cable.
Okay, usually the cable have sound characteristics, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe can you give us some example? Maybe?
Okay, the most important thing about our cables, all of them are using the same material. So the difference between the cables are technology. So we do have the shielding, or we have the different conductor size, or different construction, or different connectors. So this is the only difference between the standard and our top line reference. Meaning, of course, the sound will be the same, but depending on the installation complexity, you should choose the right cable. The cable, the thickness of the conductor is a very important moment. So if you have a super high-end installation and you want to use our entry level, which is sound, by the way, almost the same as the high-end, then maybe it's not the right choice. Yeah. Because in the higher model, where you have the shield and you have the bigger conductor, you have more stability in the sound, and you have more protection against the environment and the waves from the phone and other small subjects, like you have some cables with providing the AC power, or you have some cables crossing. So of course, the better the cable, the better the performance.
Oke guys, jadi seperti penjelasan dari Mr. Anton bahwa kabel itu merupakan salah satu komponen terpenting dari sistem audio. Jadi untuk mix and match, untuk perangkat misalnya dari low, mid sampai high end, kita juga harus matching kabelnya mulai dari low end, mid end sampai high end juga. Oke, I think that's it. Mr. Anton.
Thank you so much. It's very nice to be in this shop, and I enjoy Indonesia quite much. Very grateful.
Thank you for watching.
And I hope to come again.
Oke. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Nanti kita akan, jangan lupa untuk channel kami di Cartens Audio, jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe, dan juga di Instagram kami di Cartens Audio Jakarta. Oke, thank you, bye bye, and see you soon on another video. Bye bye. Thank you.